The magic class for today is you say any word to make this bridge open. Abracadabra! Yes! Although the bridge is not likely to crash just because of that, the bridge is made with polycarbonates, which is the same material as the case of your phone. It holds the weight of up to 20 adults, which is 2,000 kilograms. And that is impressive considering the bridge itself weighs only 850. And that is about half the weight of a cement bridge with the same load capacity.
On-site installation took 1 day. A steel or concrete bridge would take up to 20 days. A foldable bridge could serve as a link to a floating wharf because it is adjustable. It could also be used in the wild, where you need a bridge that is easy to deploy. At the moment, our printed folding bridges can be up to 15 meters long.
The control console that links up with Bluetooth and the hydraulic press that activates the bridge are all hidden underneath here. All you have to do is press the secret button on your phone. Or you could use this Joyride control pad looking thing, and I'm gonna press fold. And see that? You shall not pass!